Hi, today we are going to make some little pouches for Valentine's Day to put candy or a gift card or something like that in. Now, I got this out of a cat food box, but any piece of paperboard will do to draw out your template. Now, I've already taken the liberty to draw one out, and I will put the measurements in the description box. Please forgive me ahead of time for my dogs. It is daytime, and if it's daytime and they're awake, they're barking. So, now what I've done here is draw out a little template at 5 5/8 inches. Now, with a regular piece of paper from Hobby Lobby or wherever, this is a 12 by 12. You can probably use 6 inches on this if you'd like to make 4, but in case you have the smaller packs that are 6 by 6 whatnot, you can make 2, yada yada. In any event, I made this to be about 5 5/8 long. And then because it is only 5 1/8 inch wide, I wanted to make sure that I could get a decent little pocket out of this particular piece of paperboard. So that's what I wanted it for. I'm using this to be the template. Now to go in, it's only 2 1/2 inches in, and I'm leaving a little flap over here that's 5/8 inches, and you'll see why I'm doing that. This ribbon box is perfect to make your little curved edges. You line it up with your middle line and your next line and just draw a curve. Move it over to the other line and draw a curve to where they match up at the same spot. Now, if I can print this out for you, you can just use it straight up as your template or just go by the measurements that I have. And what you're going to do is cut it out straight across here at the 5/8 line. Now here we're going to go in at 5/8 and follow the curve and in. These are going to make the little flaps that close your pocket pillow. Now, it's a crude design, but it works well. It'll be really cute when you get through. You pick your favorite paper. Hearts. I've got little pink lines here, so this can be like a guy's gift or a girl's gift. And gift cards are really in style right now, so that people can buy what they like, or you can put little kissies on it or whatnot. But anyway, I want the lines to go up. So I'm going to come over here and sketch out where this is going to go here. And then I'm going to go to my little cutter. And if you don't have a cutter, just take your, take your ruler and just draw out your line and cut it out with a pair of scissors. Now, I want to make this as straight as possible because I am not a very good straight line cutter. So, here we go. Line this up as straight as possible. And I'm just going to cut down the whole length so that I don't have as much to work with here. All right. So here we go. About a very horrible. See, I can't even cut with a straight edge. Okay. Make do. See, it doesn't have to be, just straight on, okay? It's still gonna work, I promise. You can make mistakes and this will still work and look cute and nobody will be the wiser. So I'm going to take and draw around the outside of my template here and This can put up with lots of pain and troubles. And if you want, you can just fold your paper. Straight across. And cut 2 pieces at the same time. So you're going to follow your pencil mark in and cut around to make your little flaps. Now this would probably do much better with the craft paper sheets like I used with the bag that I made the other day. This is a tougher type paper and will really stand up to the bending, although this just looks prettier. I don't have any really cute Valentine's paper, so why not make use of what you got at home instead of having to go out and buy special? Because the whole point is taking things that you have, making it, you know, look pretty, special for someone, and instead of just the impersonalization of a gift card or candy or whatever it is. And plus, too, this goes great for the class parties kids have and whatnot. You can make several of them out of one sheet. You know, you can make 4 boxes out of 1 sheet of paper. And that is a very cost-effective, but yet it's really cute. So what we're going to do is go down the spots where we scored and make some indentations to fold on. And you can do it with this, and I'm not going to. I can't cut a straight line. It's just horrible. So, go to where you have your little marks and your indentation that you made your curvature, and fold. And then your flap. Fold. And see, this is terrible. Where did I get that? All right. But for whatever reason, it lines up pretty great. So, anyway, make sure that your little edge can fold, and to even make it better, fold over the outside just to check it, and you can score it down real well with your pencil to make sure that those lines stay folded. Now, take your little flap here, and we're going to glue it down the inside. And you can use your glue stick or some your permanent craft tape or whatever you have on hand. Even regular white glue will do. So put your glue on there and shut it and secure it. And that's got your little pocket made like this. Now what we're going to do is go back to our ribbon box, and as we measured it out to make the curve on the outside, you're going to come into where your indentions are, where you cut the curves, and you're going to line it up your box. I hope you can see this real well, to where the outside is here and the inside is here, and make a very light spot here that you can see. Now, I made it a little darker. Well, I thought I did. So that you can see. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to darken this in slightly more so you can see what I'm doing here. All right. There. See, we're going to go in and make the little half moon on the inside. And you're going to do this on both sides. I'll see, it looks pretty hideous at the moment, but we're going to take care of that in a minute. Now, as you see that, take and fold it in along that line. And the same on this side. Like I said, this is just paper, so it's not going to just dent in real perfectly. It's just going to fold and just pinch it. Just pinch, pinch, pinch. And that's going to be what your pillow is going to look like. And pull that out and take whatever you're going to put in there. I'm just going to stick that in there. Whee. Fold it up, take the top, and fold it as well. And this will make your little pocket. Just pinch it, pinch, 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 little pinching. This is something you can do with your kids too. If they're going to give out little goodies for class or whatnot, they can help you make the boxes. You know, even if it's just to cut them out. Once you get your little box made and you got your goodies inside, you take your ribbon that you use to make your inventions with. Tie a little bow on top. How pretty is that? This will make a nice gift for mom for that special Valentine. Jewelry can go in here. Like I said, candy, just any little thing that'll fill it up that's not super heavy. This can go into a bag with other items, but just to make that one little thing special. And like I said, these really work great for kids. They can be attached to a Valentine. A card can be strung up on here that says to who in particular, your secret admirer, whatever you'd like. But I hope you like it and that it helps a lot. I'm going to take this again and I'm going to make a template for you and write down all the instructions on how to do it, and hope that it will be useful for you this Valentine's Day season. Thanks a lot. It'll take a pretty good beating even without being tied up, but after you get it all together, get you something pretty to tie it up with. Paper ribbon, real ribbon. Anyway, it would be cute for jewelry, candy. Anything for that special someone, mom, dad, whomever. Tying a bow on anything small, it's always a pain in the butt. So here, I'm going to show you. Take your ribbon and fold it over to make your first initial togetherness here. The one that you loop, if it's on the underside, go take your outside piece and go over the top and then in. And then your bow will be horizontal. And adjust until it's as you wish. Cut and be done. So now you have two options, your lighter paper version and the tougher cardstock, that either one will be perfect for cake, candy, cookie, pie. gifts of different sizes. You can make these boxes in different sizes. Just use the template, and you can make bigger ones, smaller ones, according to the size of your paper. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll check out some more of my videos. I've made a paper sack out of craft paper, and I'd love for you to take a look at that too. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Please subscribe and hit that bell.